I'm making oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. So in this, and I don't have a big enough mixing bowl with me, so I'm using this Dutch oven to mix up my cookies in. And I've got 2 sticks, which is 1 cup of butter, and I've got it melted, and I'm adding to that 1 cup of dark brown sugar, and I have my oven preheated to 375 degrees. And I have 1 cup of granulated sugar. I pre-measured so it'd be a little bit quicker when I'm mixing it up. And the recipe says to cream the butter and the sugar. Now, to this, I'm going to add 2 eggs, which I'm going to beat a little bit with the whisk before I put them in. Okay, I'm adding that to my butter and sugars. Now, to that, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. And that's a ½ teaspoon measure. Now I have all the wet ingredients mixed up. So in this bowl over here, I have 2 cups of plain flour and 2½ cups of oatmeal. And these are the old-fashioned rolled up. And I'm mixing those up. And I'm going to add a ½ teaspoon of salt. Got a little carried away there. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Got those mixed up, and I'm going to add my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients. Now to this, I'm going to add a 12-ounce package of chocolate chips. Now I'm using milk chocolate. The next thing to add is a 4-ounce milk chocolate bar. So I have this Hershey's milk chocolate bar. And it says Grate the chocolate bar. Folks, I have never grated a chocolate bar before. I have eaten my share, but I've never grated. We'll see how this goes. Okay, folks, it's down to such a small piece till I just think I'm going to have to eat that. I don't want to break my fingers. Okay. So here is my grated milk chocolate bar. I'm going to stir that in. Okay, and the last ingredient is 1.5 cups of chopped nuts. We need 1.5 cups of chopped nuts. And I'm using pecans. Okay. I'm going to attempt to mix this in. Now I'm going to drop this by the tablespoonful on my greased pans. Now I didn't grease the pans, but I'm using wax paper and I greased the wax paper. Okay. And it says drop them about 2 inches apart. So I'm only getting about 12 on the cookie sheet. Alright, so I'm going to pop this first pan into the oven for 10 minutes. Go ahead and get the second pan ready. I'm going to go ahead and roll this next batch. And see what the difference is. See if there's any difference in the way they turn out. Alright, so we have our first batch of cookies out of the oven, and they look good, but I need to let them set for a minute before I try to scoop them off the tray. And we'll see how they turned out when they cool just a little bit, but they look pretty good. So this recipe makes almost 6 dozen cookies, and they're fairly large cookies. And I actually got 68, so it's just 4 short of 6 dozen. Alright, so I broke one here while I was taking it off the baking sheet, so I have to try that one. I think this recipe is a keeper. It's sweet, but it's not overly sweet. It's a very good cookie. And I don't really care for chewy cookies. This one's chewy, but not so chewy that I don't like it. So it's very good. I think I need to add that to my list of recipes. So if you found this video helpful, please like and share. And thanks for stopping by.